Here's replacing the fuel filter on a Ford 1210 tractor. I purchased the new filter on Amazon. It came with new O-rings and a sediment bowl. Step 1 is switching the fuel shutoff valve from open to closed. Then unscrew and remove the sediment bowl. Next up, you want to slide off the old filter. Pry off the small O-ring. And install the new O-ring. And over that, install the new filter. Finally, go ahead and re-thread on the sediment bowl. I ended up using the old bowl after cleaning it up because the new one that came with the filter was just a little bit too tall at the top and it prevented the threads from catching. With everything put back together, turn the fuel back on. Finally, you want to bleed out any air that got into the fuel system. To do this, follow the fuel line to the bleeder screw at the injection pump. Go ahead and crack this open for a few seconds to let out any air bubbles. After bleeding, put the tractor at full throttle and start it up. If it starts but then dies, repeat the bleeding procedure at the injection pump, and if it continues to start and die, you might have to bleed the system further, cracking the fuel lines at each injector.